another project in the workshop, just come in, has been in the workshop before to get measured up before it went to the yard and waiting for space, is this lovely tornado. It's a 6.8 meter tornado, I believe. It's in for a whole host of jobs. So you'll see at the end what it looks like. But before we start, we thought we'd talk you through it. It's a PU tube. So we've got new PU wear patches going on, new lifelines and lifeline D-ring patches getting fitted all around. We're replacing the hull to tube tape that joins the tube to the hull. That's all coming away. So new tapes all the way around. The engine's coming off, so we can add some glass to the top of the transom. There's something funky going on at the top there. We can't quite see yet because we haven't had the engine off, but it doesn't look right. So the engine's coming off. We'll make good the top of the transom. The transom itself seems to be solid. The hull's coming off the trailer. We're going to do some gel repairs in the hull, and then she's getting a nice black antifoul line, which will suit the hull really, really well with the yellow. Nice contrast. And then the A-frame itself, the mounts that come down the back of the transom here, one of the welds is completely sheared off. So we'll loosen the A-frame, get it in a position where Stu can come in and he can TIG weld the broken piece back on, so it's good as new. And then boat will go back in the trailer and off back to the customer. It's a commercial boat, so he can get it turned around as soon as we can, so he can get it back into the water and earning money.